In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 15 brilliant kitchen organization items that you can incorporate. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Angel. Welcome to my home and my space. I'm a mom of two. I love to share lifestyle content. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love for you to tap that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. Let's jump in and get started. First up, a multifunction silverware drawer. This is not just your average silverware organizer. This one is a two-tiered organizer, so you can double your space. I love the functionality of this, and it helps you to minimize your space, save space, and stack some of those things that you could otherwise have to spread out. I love the additional added sliding feature for the top layer. You can store things like straws, kitchen gadgets, measuring cups, anything like that, and use that additional space for storing more kitchenware. A knife block is also very useful too because it saves your countertop space. You can have all your knives right where you need them, and they're easier to grab out and take out as well. These plastic bins can be so helpful around your kitchen. I have used these in my freezer. You can get these in a variety of sizes and you can store different things in them. They're awesome in the freezer. I also use these to hold things in my kitchen cabinets, such as my tumblers for my kids. Again, these come in different sizes. You can store these vertically or horizontally. You can use these in a number of ways, but I definitely recommend them. I think they're so brilliant and such a great multi-useful item. Now, if you like to stack your pans like on top of each other in drawers, one little helpful item you can grab are these like pan mitts that you can stick between the pans to protect each pan and keep them from scratching and dinging each other, and also makes your house a lot quieter. So if you've ever tried to cook breakfast while your kids are sleeping or dinner or whatever, or while they're napping, the mitts definitely help to cut down on the noise, clinking and clacking too. Now, if you have the issue of your trash bags fall into the trash can every time you put things in them and they just will not stay on the trash can, you can grab these little trash can holders and stick on the sides of your trash cans, and they are awesome for keeping your bags in place. This has been game changing and so helpful in our household, and it works amazing. So you can get these in several different colors, but they do help to keep that bag in place, and you don't have to worry about it falling off every time you throw things in the garbage. Another awesome helpful item is having an auto soap dispenser for your hands. Have you ever been cooking and you need to wash your hands and you got to touch this, you got to touch that, you got to get the soap? Having an auto soap dispenser, game changing. So I don't have to worry about touching the soap dispenser with my messy hands or my greasy hands or my raw meat hands, whatever it is. The auto soap dispenser, brilliant. And it looks so good. It actually looks like a regular soap dispenser. It doesn't look like a mechanical tech gadget, you know? So that helps with the aesthetics of it. It just looks good and it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb, but it's so helpful for having your hands free, but being able to get soap so you can have clean hands in the kitchen. Another awesome organizer is this white drawer shelf. It again helps you to use your space, especially in your deep drawers. And a lot of times we do have extra space at the top of our deep drawers. So if you have the extra space and you need it, get you these upper shelf drawer inserts. You can stick these right inside your drawers. They're adjustable as well, so they fit several different sizes, and some of them you can get even with dividers inside of them, so you can like put a lot of little small things in them and divide that space up even more. Or if you have long spoons and spatulas, you can always just get a long one without the dividers. But these are awesome for helping you use your space in your deep drawers. Now let's look at some things under the kitchen sink that can be helpful for helping you use and maximize your space. One is this two-tier sliding organizer. I really like this because the sliders has grooves. So in case you do put bottles or like heavy bottles, you know, a lot of times most organizers, when you slide them out, they tilt because of the weight. Well, this one does not, because the sliders are in grooves. So you can stick your bottles on this, your heavy bottles, and they're fine. And they're narrow. So if you don't have a lot of space, this is also really helpful too, because it'll help you to maximize your space. Even if you don't have a lot, you can still use those two tiers to store things on. Another awesome item is this two-tier turntable I have. Comes with removable bins. So you can remove things if you need to. You can divide up things and store a variety of things in each section. Plus that 2 tiers, once again, help you to maximize your vertical space. So I love 2-tier, 3-tiered systems. And this one works perfect for under my sink. Another awesome organizer, and we have loved since the day we bought it, is our egg drawer. This is a organizer that goes in your refrigerator. It's an under shelf organizer. So it uses the space you usually are not thinking about that is probably there. If you open up your refrigerator, look right above that shelf. I'm pretty sure you got some space somewhere and you can put one of these drawers and use that space. And this can store up to 28 eggs. So it can store a lot of eggs and it's so helpful. Ours have not broken and we've had ours probably about 2 years now and it's still been holding up really awesome. So that's a great area of space that you can use. Just grab you one of these egg drawer organizers and use that to store your eggs. Now, if you accumulate a lot of grocery bags, something that can be helpful is having you a grocery bag organizer or dispenser. So you can stick them in and reuse them whenever you need to. So they easily go right in and they easily come right out. Now this one is made from recycled material. It can hold up to 40 bags and it's freestanding. So you can stand this up wherever you need it, whether it's under a sink, in a cabinet, or on the floor. You can store this wherever you need to. But this can also be a great organizer if you struggle with keeping up with all those grocery bags. Baskets can be game changing, especially for me. I like to use them in my pantry. I use a variety of size baskets to hide things, but I can easily reach them. I can easily grab them and I don't have to worry about like organizing everything or putting everything in fancy jars or any of that. So that's one reason why I love baskets. You can still organize, you can still find what you're looking for, but you don't have to necessarily empty everything out. I do have things that I empty out into a storage container to keep it fresh longer. So don't get me twisted. I still love my organizers, but if you have like bags, maybe chips and extra goodies and extra supplies or packages, that things you really don't want to unbox until you're ready to use it, you can get baskets and store them in there. Totally game changing and an awesome way to organize your space without doing too much. And it still looks great. Another one of my favorite kitchen organizers are pop containers. These are one-handed containers that you can just pop open. And another set of Tupperware I like to use too is Rubbermaid food storage containers. These are airtight seal and they have the two-sided clip lid that you just clip down. These are so great for holding your leftovers, for your fruit. I like both sets, honestly, and it just kind of depends on your budget and which features you like best. The OXO containers are the pop, like one-handed. So if your hands are always full and you're trying to open containers, or if your kids are opening up containers, because I do have independent kids and toddlers. I have a 1-year-old and a 4-year-old, and both of them can go to their snack drawer and pull things out. And the pop containers allow them to easily open it. So kind of depends on your take, but the food storage containers, those are two of my favorites, the Rubbermaid and the OXO containers. Bamboo drawer organizers, amazing for organizing your drawers, keeping things separated for you can easily reach and easily see what you got, and also see when you're running low. I have loved these. They are so awesome, and they do come with the different sizes and adjustability too. So you can make these fit your drawer however big or narrow your drawer is. Plus you can store in them a ton of things around your kitchen or pantry. We keep snacks in ours and it has worked wonders for keeping it all organized. Shelf risers are another amazing item to organize with. This is a great way to use your space. I use these all over my home, actually not just my kitchen, but they're really awesome in your kitchen. You can use these for your plates, your cups. You can literally use all that space in your cabinets just by getting you shelf risers. It's a simple and easy fix to help you to use your space. I highly recommend them. I like the wood and bamboo ones personally. I think they look great in the cabinet. They continue to let my aesthetics flow in my cabinet because I have wood cabinets. And they come in a variety of sizes. You got narrow ones and you also got wider ones too. They're not the only ones on the market, but grabbing your shelf risers is just a really great way to use your space. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me that thumbs up, subscribe, drop me a comment, and say hello so the algorithm knows you like me. And if you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy the next video as well.